Man, the tools for success. I needed some of these. Bruh.
This steel saw too.
Man, what? I'm happy. I can get rid of this, man.
I'm about to put these on right now. I'm about to put
Bro, I could have. Yeah, y'all got us right. I appreciate it, man.
Man, I appreciate y'all.
Started out as an apprentice here, but because I did go through the program, I started out as a level 3 for the laborers union. And yeah, this is probably one of the best jobs I've ever had. Real laid back, easy going, and it's definitely worth it.